All right, you're on, Alice. Although you have a high backlight.
I'm no longer on.
You're no longer on? Oh, you're on. You're on.
No, I'm not on. You can't make me on.
Yeah, settle down. This is a mature video for adults. That didn't sound right. Never mind. Delete.
Hey guys, we're back. John and Adam, and we got Ellis in the background. We're going to answer some questions from our original Echo Auto video.
Dan Stone says, you guys aren't very good at this. Thanks for the unboxing, though. Thanks, Dan. I appreciate you looking on the bright side and thanking us for the unboxing, even though we weren't very good at this.
Although I felt like our unboxing was our weaker part, but anyways, it doesn't.
Yeah, a lot of people liked the car part better. I mean, you can't please everybody, but we pleased very few. But there was a few people who really did enjoy it, so we're happy about that. First question, doesn't have to do with Alexa at all. What kind of phone mount are you using? Well, thank you, Robbie Davis. Oh yeah, turn off Alexas. Some people complained that we were talking about Alexa the whole time.
Or saying the word Alexa and activating it.
Alexa, buy a television. Just kidding. Don't. Alexa, don't do that. All right.
Okay. Phone mount. Yeah. Okay.
Phone mount. So let me show you. It's a WizGear, and it's a magnet that goes on. Here, John, show this.
Oh.
So it's a magnet, and it goes on the air conditioning vent, and then the other magnet is either you can stick it on your phone, or you can just place it between your phone and its case.
I think it's just a piece of metal, right? Or is it a magnet?
Yeah, it's a one of them's a magnet, one of the ferromagnet or whatever. So, and this one is actually stuck to the phone, but also you can just leave it loose if you don't want to stick something to your phone. And it just sticks right there. It works very well. It's very strong, very sturdy. So WizGear, yeah, we'd recommend that one if you were looking for a phone mount. I liked it, so my wife got one, and her parents got them as well, and we all love them.
And just to be completely legal here, we're not getting paid by Amazon or WizGear for this video, and we're not getting any products from them.
But if they wanted to, feel free, send us a check, let us know.
Sure.
We're up for hire.
As of this moment, we are completely, just Federal Trade Commission can know that we're not getting paid. We're only endorsing things on our own and not with them. But if we do,
not by choice.
Not by choice. But if we do get some sort of commission from them or free products, we'll put it in the description below.
Yeah. Well, next question.
Okay. You know me. I just legally I wanted to.
Sure. You know.
Echo vent mount. Is it sturdy? So the Echo vent mount right here. We've already shown it before, but is it sturdy?
Show the. So I'll hold this. You show the camera. There you go.
There we go.
Yeah. So yeah, it's very sturdy. It holds on nice and tight, not going anywhere, and then just magnetically you can take off the Alexa Auto. It's very, very nice. Very good quality vent mount. That was I don't remember who asked that question.
Oh,
sorry,
it was from, I believe it was from...
Was that Robbie Davis?
Robbie Davis as well.
Maybe. If it was someone else, sorry.
Oh, no, I'm pretty sure, but... Okay, does it work in India? That was from Kiran Kumar.
Yes, Kiran, it works in India.
But we've never been to India.
We haven't been to India.
We think it does.
But it's Bluetooth, and so as long as your phone is working, Alexa doesn't care what country you're in.
As long as you're... Yeah, okay, valid. Car charger what?
Someone was asking, so Saj Chowdhury was asking if the car charger is fast. It says 5 volt 4 amps.
And he has a Galaxy 7S.
Galaxy S7, just like mine. Seems pretty fast.
Okay.
Great. Can you request 2 from an invite? That's Bradley Chef Mine. Maybe.
Chef Mine.
Maybe.
Something like that.
Can't read my writing.
I don't think you can. I think
you
it's
press invite, and it invites, and then you may be able to purchase more than one, but you only request one invitation.
Okay, so all right.
Yeah. I actually didn't try to buy 2, but you should be. I mean, I don't see why not. I don't remember it saying just 1. I think it was just like other Amazon things.
All right, John H. Do you need help?
Hotspot.
No. Do you need a hotspot? I need help reading. Or is Bluetooth enough? You need to be able to connect to the internet, so no, Bluetooth is enough. As long as your phone, you'll still be using your data through your phone, but just through the Bluetooth.
Yeah, don't need hotspot.
Okay.
Let's see, who's this next?
Javier Aguirre.
Does it need to be paired to the phone's Wi-Fi each time you enter the car, or is it automatic? So if Wi-Fi you mean Bluetooth, your car setting needs to be on Bluetooth, so your phone can connect to it via Bluetooth, and then Alexa will automatically connect to your phone via Bluetooth. So as long as everything's on Bluetooth, Alexa, turn off. As long as everything's on Bluetooth, I'm gonna press this cool button here so she won't listen to me.
That's a silencer, right?
Yeah, the silencing button. There was a lot of complaints that we didn't know what the buttons do, so there. We know what that button does. Don't know what this button does, but we know what that button does.
I know what the dot button does.
Oh, yeah?
What does it do, Ellis?
It turns it on.
Oh, you gonna tell her to do something?
No.
Alexa, tell a joke. She's not feeling funny.
Cricket. 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 Cricket.
All right.
Okay. So what are we on now? Okay, yeah. So it doesn't use Wi-Fi, the phone. I just want to clarify that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like your Wi-Fi. It's not what we refer to as Wi-Fi. It's Bluetooth.
Yeah. Is that the same? Oh no, that's the same line.
Someone asked. Andrew Polk asked how well it works on the iPhone. I don't know.
Sorry, but neither of us have iPhones. I know that sounds funny.
MV asked, do you have to manually switch between
Bluetooth and
other devices? Yes, your car, if you want to hear Alexa through your car, you need to be on Bluetooth on your car because your phone is talking to turn off. Because your phone is talking to your car, right? It's working through your phone. Probably.
What can Alexa do that Android Auto cannot do? That was from Minard
Dinglarson. That sounds like a fake name. So sorry if that's your real name. I can't read the first name, but Dinglarson. What can you do that Android Auto can't do?
Now I have Android Auto in my car, and
Oh, you do?
I do, yeah.
Well, that's great.
Yeah,
you can answer
I
the
can answer the question. The thing is, I'm more familiar with that than I am with Alexa. You're more of the Alexa expert in the car here.
So she's not telling jokes. Tell a joke.
Anyways, I don't know if there's anything that, maybe if you had certain apps on your phone that Android Auto isn't able to connect to, but I mean, everything I would, like maps, listen to music, I guess what Android Auto may not be able to do is connect to some of the Amazon apps. But I'm not sure about that because I don't really, I mostly listen to Audible in my car and use it for maps. That's about all I do with my Android Auto. You're kind of limited to certain things on Android Auto, but you're also limited to things on
I mean, there's a lot of skills that I don't use that I should be able to use. But it sounds like I would have been fine with Android Auto. But I don't use it.
But does your car even have Android Auto on it?
But can Android Auto do this? Point at Alexa. Tell a joke. See? Can Android Auto do that?
What do you get when you cross a lumberjack with a pianist?
What?
Chopsticks.
That's hilarious. Android Auto can't do that. She took a long time. She had to think of a joke. I thought she wasn't gonna
why
do
did
it.
she take so long? You're embarrassing me. Okay, what's the next one?
Oh yeah, I3 bloody-eyed? I don't know. So can you make calls when when your phone is hooked into your car's
Auxiliary.
I mean, I don't know.
So
I'm not sure.
Yeah, Alexa isn't sure either.
So the question is,
should I try plugging it in?
yeah. So we got it.
Oh, that's not it. No. I'm assuming you mean Bluetooth so that you're talking. No, he said.
So here's the question back to you.
Wait, no, he did say auxiliary.
Yeah, but does he mean the auxiliary where you're just got the audio into aux here? So do you mean
Instead of through Bluetooth.
yeah,
So can you hook Alexa into the auxiliary outlet
like just the
and
mini
make
jack
calls?
and make calls?
It's a great question. I don't know. Thanks for asking. Next question.
Sorry, we can answer for you. Dan Stone.
Oh, we
asked-
already said
Oh
that.
no, yeah, Dan was.
Rima was helpful.
You guys don't even know how to use Alexa. Get familiar with it first before testing a new device.
I mean, that's great advice. Not really what we were going for, though. We're going for someone who doesn't really know how to use it. What would it be like opening up the Alexa?
Right. Two normal guys.
Relatively, right?
Right. Okay. Normal may not be the
Not
word.
knowledgeable,
Okay.
not programmers.
Yeah. Okay. Just two regular guys.
Like Alexa.
And yeah, I could be more familiar with Alexa. I admit that.
But you're a busy man.
Yeah. So.
But thanks, Rima. We appreciate you taking the time to type that comment and give us some feedback.
Yeah. Feedback's always good.
As long as you're watching the video,
Give
give your feedback.
it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs down. I mean, if you don't like it, you don't like it.
Just keep it clean.
Yeah. Okay. I wasn't even looking at where I was pointing the camera there.
So thanks. That's good quality stuff we're giving you today.
So Adam, about the Echo Auto, how much do you use it now? You've had it for 3 months, and do you guys use it very much, or what do you use it for?
We don't use it much. The kids like to be able to just holler out a song and have the Echo Auto play the song in the car, so that's kind of cool. But I don't really use it for directions. I find it easier just to enter them into my phone when I have a wireless connection in my house, and then go to my car. And making calls, I don't like to talk on the phone in the car, so I don't really make calls in the car, and I typically don't answer the phone in the car. So mostly so far the auto is for music and just
Telling you jokes and the weather.
telling jokes, but
Oh,
like auto
weather.
I don't use the weather.
Okay.
And I don't commute much, and so I don't have to ask for traffic and stuff. But even if you did, it would be faster just to check before you leave the house than to ask Alexa with the...
Right, or enter into Google Maps or Waze your route that you're going and
Yeah.
find
I didn't catch that.
Sorry, I muted her. Yeah. So. And I wanted to use it in when we went on vacation. I thought it'd be super helpful. And, it was the same kind of issue. Took a long time to get going, and I was having a hard time pairing it with the car I was in. And so I wasn't able to test it out as much as I had hoped I would be able to. So I would say I enjoy it. I like it. Love it? No, I don't think I love it. Live without it? Yeah, probably could. But like it, not complaining. I mean, and the kids like being able to call out songs, and so that's kind of fun.
fun gadget to have.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could see in the future Amazon having more capabilities with the Echo, with Alexa and everything. I don't know. Anyways, all right. Just wanted to put that follow-up in.
If you got more questions, we'll answer some of them below, and we might make another video to answer your questions, because they're really in high demand.
Yeah, and
Goodbye.
oh,
Bye for now.
bye for now.